Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. This is swarm number 15 it's called. It's just a swarm trap that we got put up on a fence over here at my mother-in-law's. And they're coming and going. It's really overcast today and they're still flying, real windy. I seen one come in earlier with pollen on the legs. Oh, they're hitting my hand there. I figured I'd show this, the way I mounted this. It's been sitting up here for a year, so just took a regular treated 1x, screwed it to the 4x4 pole, and then I cut angles on the regular 2x4. And I screwed it in, then I popped 2 screws up to the bottom that hold this box on so it can't come off. And so I wanted to show you all this. So this is the box that they chose. I gave them this option too. A deep and a medium. I sprayed lemongrass oil on both of them. Actually, I think I did Swarm Commander on both of them. So that larger cavity compared to that smaller cavity, and they chose the smaller cavity on this. So I'll probably transfer them over to a 10 frame deep in a few days. Just let them kind of get used to that box that they're in. Draw out some foundation. Please like and subscribe.